In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Docusign document after you've already sent it. Sometimes we send off a document only to realize moments later that there's a typo or a piece of information that needs correction. Luckily, Docusign provides a straightforward process for making those adjustments even after you've hit send. Let's dive into the simple steps to make it happen. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Make sure you're logged into your account, as you'll need access to your sent documents. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, look for the section or tab that's titled Sent. Click on this tab to view all the documents you've previously sent out for signatures. Within the Sent section, you'll see a list of all the documents you've dispatched. Browse through this list and find the specific document you're looking to edit. This might take a couple of moments, depending on how many documents you've sent, so take your time. Once you've located your document, there's a little trick to access additional options. Simply click the three dots that you'll find on the right-hand side of the document's listing. These dots represent a menu of options associated with that particular document. After clicking those three dots, you'll see an option labeled Correct. Go ahead and select this option. Docusign will then guide you to a new screen where you're able to make the needed changes to your document. This is where you can go in and update the information, for instance, correcting a recipient's email, updating a date, or making any other necessary modifications to ensure the accuracy of your document. Following your edits, you'll want to ensure your changes are saved and ready to be sent out again. You'll notice a Next button. Click this when you're satisfied with your corrections. Docusign will walk you through the process, confirming the changes you've made. Finally, when you are absolutely certain that all errors are fixed and the document is ready to go, you can finish by clicking Correct again. This is the step that actually sends the revised document out to your recipients, replacing the earlier version with the corrected one. It's always a good idea to take a moment and double-check everything before clicking this final button, just to be sure you haven't missed anything in the editing process. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can swiftly and efficiently correct any sent document in Docusign, ensuring that your paperwork is always accurate and up to date. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to manage your documents with confidence. Thanks for watching.